Hello friends, today's topic 5 money mantras. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Most people are planning their finances in such a way to make themselves look rich without actually becoming rich. It is said that we spend money we don't have to buy things we don't need to impress people we don't like. In fact, if you follow certain money mantras, you'll become wealthy and stress-free earlier in life. Most people work hard for money in their job. However, you must also make your money work hard for you so that after a point in time, the power of compounding creates magic in your life. Some of the money mantras which will make you rich are: number one, save and invest 3 months salary for retirement. Out of the 12 months salary you receive in a year, you must aim to save at least 3 months of salary. Such an amount can be invested in various instruments such as stocks, mutual funds, bank deposits, PPF, etc. For example, if your net salary is 10 lakhs per annum, rupees 83,333 per month, after taxes, you must save and invest around 83,333 into 3, that is 2,50,000. So this will ensure that you save at least 25% of your income every year. Of course, you can save 30 to 40% of your income per year. It will be even better and it will make you financially independent earlier in life. 2. Keep aside 5% for impulse spending. Most people don't feel good if they postpone many pleasurable things in life. So it is good idea to spend around 5% of your income on buying an expensive gadget, going on a vacation or any other unplanned spending. 3. Protection is first step to becoming rich. Build an emergency fund for 6 months expenses. It can be kept in bank FD, liquid fund or debt funds and should be used only when there is job loss, medical emergency, etc. Buy a separate health insurance policy for self and family for medical treatment. Don't rely on employer provided health insurance. 4. Repay high interest debt at the earliest. If you have any loans or credit cards debt which has an interest rate of 11% or more, it's better to focus on repaying it as fast as possible. By paying off high interest debt, you save a lot of interest. Interest cost that you save is like earning money. Just like how you compound money with investment, loan interest pulls money out of your pocket. Many people don't notice this reverse compounding which is happening with loan payments. The later you pay high interest loans, the poorer you become. If your loans bear a low interest rate such as home loan, then it is okay to pay it off slowly as per the tenure. 5. Develop passive income. At a point of time, your passive income should cover your regular expenses. This stage is called financial independence, which you no longer need to work actively and earn money to pay for expenses. Passive income could be rental income, SWP from large corpus and mutual funds, dividends, various part-time income, royalties, deposit interest, etc. If you don't work on developing passive income for your future, you need to work hard throughout your life. It will also mean that you have not managed your money well in life, hence you are always dependent on active income. Active income will stop sometime in everybody's life. In spite of large number of people being broadly aware of this money mantra, 90% of the people don't implement them in their lives and hence don't achieve financial success. If you implement these mantras with discipline and consistency, you are sure to succeed. At the end of the video, here is the question. How many of these mantras are you following in your life currently? Type the number or names of the mantras. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.